What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release December 28th. But before we get into that review, going to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 1 Lost and Found. This one drops November 19th. If you want to pick you up a pair, you can do so. FineLine1721.com. Men's sizes and GS sizes are available. Next up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 9 Fire Red. This one is dropping November 23rd. Men pairs are available now on FineLine1721.com. So if you want to pick these joints up early, you can do so. Also, I have a full review live on the channel if you want to check it out. Next up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 6 Black and Metallic Silver, aka the Chrome. This one drops November 26th. I do have men pairs shipping out now on FineLine1721.com. Also, full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the standard Air Jordan Retro 1 OG box. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 1 High Retro Gorge Green Metallic Silver. Go ahead and flip this box lid up. Got a few stamps on the top lid of the box. Peel this paper back. Now let's get into this shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Air Jordan Retro 1 Gorge Greens. First thing first, these do come with a added accessory. Tucked inside the right shoe, we got the extra pair of all white laces sitting inside of the cardboard box. Now that the accessories are out of the way, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into this review. Getting right into that top-down view of the shoe, all green sock liner, white insole with the green Nike Air stamp sitting on the top. Come factory lace with green laces. Got the green trim around the tongue. Green patch with the white Nike Air logo. Nice tumbled leather sitting inside of the toe box. Getting right into the lateral side of the shoe. As you can see, we have the standard Chicago style color blocking. The whole shoe is wrapped in a nice tumbled leather. All white midsole sitting on top of the green outsole. Metallic silver Nike sign. As you can see, the regular standard Air Jordan 1 wing logo is replaced with this clear bubbled up plastic Air Jordan 1 wing logo, very reminiscent to the Bordeaux Retro 1 that released, I believe, earlier this year or last year. Going around to the heels of the shoe, these come with that standard cut and height that the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found does. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Tumbled leather all throughout the shoe on each panel. Taking another little quick 360 look at these joints. Very, very nice, clean colorway in my opinion. If you were a fan of those Bordeaux Air Jordan Retro 1s, you probably will be a fan of these. The quality is definitely on par with those. So that about wraps it up for the quick look at the Air Jordan 1 Gorge Green. If you want to pick these joints up, you can do so. They are shipping out now on FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.